Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Orion Tech Tips video. As you can see, today I am very excited for this video. I'll say first, you probably read the title, you probably saw the thumbnail, you probably know what's happening, but I am very excited because for years now, even you can go back to videos where I was 13 or 14 saying, I need to upgrade my webcam. I got this thing 2017, so 5 years ago at Staples for 20 bucks. This is the Microsoft HD or 720p. That's half HD, doesn't even count as HD. YouTube stopped counting that as HD a while ago. So yeah, not 0.9 megapixels, 720p at 30 FPS. So that is not very good. As you can see, the image quality is absolutely atrocious. Whenever I try to record an unboxing, the image quality suffers, to say the least. But have no fear, I just got back from Best Buy and picked up a Logitech C930s. So why did I get the C930s? So the reason I got this is they had a bunch of cheapo webcams that I would never even touch after the experience with this atrocious thing, which honestly I don't know why I didn't buy a webcam sooner, but I didn't. We had the Logitech, I think it was the C922S Pro or the C920S Pro. All of them were Logitech. And it was a $60 webcam. Then I saw the Logitech C930s. This was $100. Keep in mind when I'm talking about price, I am referring to USD, of course. And then I saw an Elgato face cam for $170. And I definitely considered a lot. I really was probably in that store for God knows how long. A long time, that's for sure. But yeah, and then I finally I knew the Elgato Facecam obviously would perform the best because it was the most expensive, but it just, in my opinion, it wasn't worth almost double the price. So that's why I ended up the best price performance C920S, which is better than most people have. Most people have at best a C920, or they're using a horrible laptop webcam and they end up with this quality. Yeah, you should see the quality on a $200 Chromebook. It is eye-piercingly awful. Okay, so let's unbox this thing. So I'm just going to get this set up and let's unbox it, and then I'll show you guys everything that this came with. Okay, so here is the Logitech C930s webcam. So let's unbox this thing. So flipping this over, we have some tape right here. I'm just going to try not to damage the box. Also, I don't want to cut off my hand. Can I just peel this off? Oh, yeah, it looks like I can. Boom! There we go. Alright, let's just... Oh, it looks like I did tear a little bit right here. Alright, I tried to be careful. See if I can pull this out with the knife. Oh, and I cut into the box even more. Oh dear. I mean, hopefully I'm not going to want to return this thing, so I should be alright. I mean, there's no way I would want to return this, because I mean, even my current webcam's so bad. I mean, anything is better. And even like a basic C920 I can get for cheap would be better than this thing. As you can see on screen, the quality is just absolutely awful. Okay, now you can see that here's the C930s webcam. Man, this thing looks so clean. Okay, let's flip this around. And I will use a disclaimer. I am using my Razer Siren X, not the inbuilt webcam microphone, because that would just, if I did that, like, a bad image is bad enough. Not being able to, like, make out what's on screen is bad enough, but not being able to hear me would, like, break the video. You guys wouldn't even want to watch this. So that's why, like, you don't even want to hear. Like, once I accidentally had this on, like, a Fortnite game chat, and the guy couldn't even understand what I was saying. Just sounded so bad. Okay, let's pull this out. I'm not trying to, like, damage the webcam. Is there, like, a safer way to do this? Okay. Kind of just pull from here. Okay, there we go. Now the box is empty. So let's see what we got. So we got the webcam. I'll just put this to the side. And I'll put this to the side as well. We got the webcam itself, the Logitech C930s, which, if I recall, I believe Tfue used the regular C930, so I guess this is an upgrade from what he had. I'm not really sure how important the S is, though. Okay, so this is a privacy cover. This is a pretty nice feature. If you don't want the... Well, okay, I won't... Hopefully no one gets offended when I say if you don't want the government spying on you, you should use this. So just snap this on, and then when you have a meeting, all you do is just lift this up. They can see you. And then what happens when you're done with the meeting, just close and boom, you are good. I was originally planning on buying like a Razer Cairo Pro, but that wasn't even in stock. I didn't want to order it. I didn't want to like wait forever and then have to drive like 2 hours to my quote unquote local Best Buy. Even though it's not local at all. And then we have a user manual. I almost tore this thing. Can anyone read this? I mean, the writing is like so small. Does anyone actually read this? Because, I mean, if they have a problem, I'm guessing they just Google it. Or is that just me? I don't know. And that's it. I guess you don't even get a tripod. I thought, because I mean the less expensive C922 like a S Pro came with a tripod. Now don't get me wrong, it was a very cheap tripod. It wasn't a very nice tripod, but you know, at least it came with one. This thing does not. Okay, lift this up. Try to get the cord. Okay. Here we go. Here's the cord. Yo. This is like a much nicer cord than my other webcam. Shall we peel this? Okay, I'll put this close to the mic. Shh. Oh, so satisfying. Okay, let's peel this next. Could be like the next big ASMR channel. Okay, let's get a good peel. Alright, peel this one from here. This one looks like a good, solid peel. Why can't I get it? Fingers are too fat. I can't reach. Oh dear. Okay, where's the knife? We're bringing it out again. Okay. I still want to okay. Imagine if I just destroy this. Let's make a little. Okay. Okay. There we go. Alright. So we do have a tripod mount right here. So that's pretty nice. Oh, this is a much sturdier clamp than my current webcam has. It's so trash. Okay. So let's go ahead and want to try one thing. Okay, so let's switch to the Logitech C930s in 3, 2, 1. Yo. Okay. The quality, there's so much, stuff that's, better about this. Not only is the quality better, but, the actual angle itself, because, with this thing, it only showed, a tiny, portion. It, cut off this end and this end. But, yeah, this thing looks really good. Of course, it does have the lens cover, which I can just snap on, I think. Okay, yeah, and you don't see a thing. So let's say I end a Zoom call. I'll just go bam. Now you can't see me. I open it up. You can see me again. How amazing is this? I need to lock it in place. But I don't really know how. Or what a good angle is to have this thing. Okay. Anyway, so yeah, this is my old webcam, pretty much. 0.9 megapixels, 720p, 30 FPS. This right here is 1080p at 60 FPS. I know there's 4K webcams, but I'm not planning to film any 4K content, so I don't really see a point. I'll tell you the specs of this thing. So, okay, so in terms of the specs of the webcam, Logitech isn't very clear. I will say though, if you visit their website, you can get it for $10 cheaper. So this costed $100 at Best Buy. You can buy this for $90 actually on Logitech's website. But, look at just this cheap cable. It's not even that long. I mean, it seems long, but it can't really reach my computer. Look at this stand. It can't. There's no way you can't mount a tripod. This you can. Although I'm kind of disappointed that this didn't come with a tripod, because the model down from this, the C922s, comes with a tripod, and it's much cheaper than this. And it also has a privacy cover. So I mean, I'm kind of disappointed. I wish it did, but it's alright. It's alright. Just pick one up for pretty cheap. So yeah, 15 megapixel camera, which is crazy. To put that in perspective, my iPhone 13 Pro Max only has 12. Come on, Apple, get your game up. But yeah. What can I say? This thing is impressive. I'm not going to be, well, actually, yeah, no, I don't think I'm going to be testing out the mic quality for you guys, because realistically no one's doing that. I don't even know why Logitech put a microphone in, because like if you like really high-end webcams like the $170 Elgato Facecam, they don't have a webcam, they don't have a microphone in their webcam, and nobody's complaining about it. Like, I've never heard a webcam that has a good microphone in it. It doesn't exist. So come on, don't like save your money, don't put a microphone in it, and then spend your money on like the actual like image quality. But yeah, this thing looks pretty sick. I can see like it lit up white. I didn't even see the LEDs until it lit up, so that's pretty cool. But yeah, do I recommend this webcam? Absolutely. I mean, yeah, you can see the visual quality. And yeah, let me know what you think of this webcam. What are your thoughts? What are your opinions? And yeah, okay, remember to like and subscribe. Comment down if you want to see any future videos. And I will end on this note. I picked up this from Best Buy. And you're probably wondering, but you already have a Razer Siren X. Why would you want a Samsung Q2U? And you're absolutely right, I already have a Razer Siren X. I absolutely adore this thing. I've had it for years now. Love it. And I will explain why I bought this microphone in my next video. So make sure you hit the bell notification to stay tuned for when I post that video. And yeah, alright. Love you guys, and until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Peace out.